Okay, so I'm here to tell you how to build your own vault in one day with the help of Lido's DeFi Wrapper. What problem we're trying to solve? Although the vaults is a very good product, it has some barriers its integration into it. And some of them are like we need 32 ETH to basically bootstrap validators inside the vault. And the vault doesn't provide pooling inside itself, so we need like a wrap it with something to get a pooling. And these actions lead to a technical barrier that actually we're trying to solve with our another product. From the other side, we have stakers that are APR maxis, so they won't always be enough with APR or with validation APR, and we have institutional guys who need some fund separation. So mixing everything inside the vault is not good for them. So Lido gives you a solution, as it's called DeFi Wrapper. It's basically a toolbox that allows you to bootstrap your own products based on 3 schemes. We will provide 3 schemes or blueprints of the products we will show you. Let's dive into those products. So first one is called pool delegated staking. So it's basically the simple stVault just wrapped with a pool where users can come, stake, get their rewards basically from validation APR. Very simple, very straightforward, can be used anywhere. The next one is a bit more complex. It's pool delegated liquid staking, where users do the same basically stuff, but as a benefit they can receive some stETH based on the boundaries of the staking of the underlying staking vault reserve ratio. The rewards for user here is also validation APR. And the most interesting one, pool delegated staking with boosted APR, the one that we was actually talking about. We have 2 strategies, 2 things provided out of the box. First one is curated looping. When the user comes to the vault, stakes its ETH, and the stETH that is minted on the vault can be used somewhere else in DeFi in looping strategies on Aave or some other markets. And the second strategy is actually a curated strategy when you do the same, but you use curated vaults outside of the staking vault, like GGV or strategy vault we have in Lido, or you can use whatever like DeFi strategy you can attach into it. We have an API to use for attaching these strategies. So in the first scenario, the user's reward will be boosted APR of validation, and in the second scenario, it will be like validation APR plus strategy APR. So what are building blocks that we provide in the DeFi wrapper? First one, of course, is pooling. In comparing to vanilla staking vault that has only a single staker and all funds belong to the vault owner, here we have a per staker accounting with pooling actually. So you can manage multiple user accounts on the vault. The second one is whitelisting. Although the staking vault also has some kind of a whitelisting, it only whitelists depositors. So actually funds belong to the vault owner itself, like they are like combined. In DeFi wrapper, whitelisting works differently, so you can define like accounts who will be whitelisted, and they will still have per staker account. One of the main reasons, one of the main features, it's stETH. So it can be used, like already Will said, in just DeFi as liquidity, or it can be used for pooling into strategies. So GGV or leverage strategies or custom, anything you can come up with, just you can build upon the DeFi wrapper. So stVaults is DeFi wrapper is a great primitive that you can use to build any like strategies or any strategy-based products on top of vaults. Also, DeFi wrapper has a white label embeddable UI, so you can fully customize your UI, like whatever you can play with anything you want, like logos, fonts, and anything. It comes out of the box. as an ERC20 token that can be used inside DeFi. It is customizable and transferable when the vault is in a healthy position. So how to do this? What is the building flow? First, just single CLI command to create a product. And second, use our predefined UI just to put it somewhere on the web. That's it, done. So let's take a look how it's done in real life.
Yeah, thanks Yuri to kick off of DeFi Wrapper. So now we try to look in how it works on real life. So let me show how it works. How you can easily and quickly create your own DeFi wrapper. And let's create this one on the hoodie. For that, I will use our own Lido CLI. It's a tool that simplifies to working with our stVaults and DeFi Wrapper contracts. Now, okay, let's start. So here we have already deployed our GGB factory. It's already on hoodie. And you need to enter some parameters, configurations, like not operator manager, fee type, and fee points, like choose a 10, some expire, execution delay, time log. So you see some comments here, some STV token name, because we use ERC20 here. Okay. Now we need the reservation gap. We're looking through the whole parameters and start. So, what about the parameters? We will try to make some guide, and I will ask later how we can get this guide. Under the hood, this command creates some core contracts of stVaults and also of a DeFi wrapper like dashboard, the stVault, withdrawal queue, etc., etc. Yeah, so waiting for finalization transaction, and here you can see that the first transaction already done. See, you can see that some allow list, meeting label, so configuration about our DeFi wrapper, some proposal executor, it's about time log. And this command consists of 2 transactions because of Fusaka limitation. So waiting. And that's all. So now we have some addresses from the pool, strategy, withdrawal queue, etc., etc. But it's only contracts, yeah, and addresses on hoodie. We have the next one. We have a DApp for that to show the user how he can deposit and using our DeFi wrapper. So let's try. We need just copy a pool addresses to some environment. And we need a strategy. And of course, a strategy pool type. And let's start. Good. It takes some seconds to create. Yeah, that's all. So now I'm going to widget. And yeah, it's here. We have some API. Maybe let's try to deposit some amount. I have a lot of amount ETH here. I'm rich. So yeah, let's try. I'm waiting for a second. Or maybe 2, or maybe 3. Yeah, that's all. So now we have a DeFi wrapper built on Hoodie, built for some node operator, and already this vault already has a balance, and with only one user. I think that's all. Yeah.